We've had claims where people say, you know, I was on a ladder and I fell, but it may have been my fault to some extent. And you say to yourself, oh, okay, then, you know, some people would say, well, then you don't have a claim. Well, that's not necessarily true. Number one, you always have your workers' compensation claim, whether it was that you were responsible for your accident or not. But even if you do fall off a ladder, there are certain provisions within the construction codes in New York State that when using a ladder, employers have to make sure that there are certain safeguards in place. If someone's on a ladder, they're required to use tie-offs. They're required to have someone holding a ladder. They have to make sure that the ladder is positioned properly. They have to make sure they're using a proper ladder. So, you know, don't just automatically assume you don't have a claim because you think you may have done something wrong. Because many times there are certain safety standards that you don't know about that the employer or the general contractor or the owner of the construction site were not following, and that could lead to a third-party claim, so you can get compensated beyond workers' compensation for your injuries.